Hey Tiger, how you doing, buddy? Hey Tiger, can you look at us? You camera shy, Tiger. He's a pretty boy. Oh my gosh, he's so big. Oh my, I've had a great day, everybody. This Nature Center trip here, everybody. I hope everybody's enjoyed these videos as much as I've loved being here making them. God bless each and every one of you. I hope you have a great day now. Let's say bye to Tiger as I get out of here. Tiger, you take care, buddy. I really enjoyed this nature center today. God bless you. You're a beautiful bird.